Hello and welcome to this CSS tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can build this interactive hamburger menu using HTML, CSS, and a little bit of jQuery. This is really a fancy way to use Hamburger Menu into your website. I've added the link of the finished button into the description if you want to get the code. So let's see how you can build it. First, let's go ahead and make an anchor tag. I have an anchor tag here. It's blank with a class of button. And now I'm going to add some elements inside of this anchor. Let's create a div inside of it with the class of inner so that I can rotate this in the later part of this process. Let's close it up. Inside of this, I'm going to add the hamburger. I'm going to call it Hamburdger, short for hamburger. Let's go into the CSS part. I'm going to target the body first to change its background color. Let's set it to 333 for the time being. Now I'm going to target the anchor tag, which is called button. Let's set its position to absolute. And a border color of 1 pixel, solid. The color that I'm going to use is 1293 and 9A. Its width gonna be auto. Height also auto. Padding 30 pixel and 20 pixel. Let's give its top value to 50% and left value 50% as well. Let's translate it -50% -50% to center it into the canvas and add transition to all properties, 0.3 seconds, and ease. Now let's target the hamburger. And its position will be relative. Width 24 pixels and height 2 pixels. Background same color as the border color. We'll add the transition later. Now we'll add the top and bottom elements of the hamburger button, and those two elements will be two pseudo elements before and after of the hamburger. So let's go ahead and do that. First before and great. Its content will be blank. Position absolute, top 0 and left 0. I set its width at the same as its parent, so with 24 pixels and like 2 pixels. Set its background color same as the parent. Great. I'll add the transition later as well. Let's go ahead and target the before element and set its margin top minus 7 pixels. Great. And after element, its margin top will be positive 7 pixels. So it goes down of the hamburger. Great. So we have the hamburger now. Now let's animate this using jQuery. Let's add the jQuery library to this project. Script tag and paste it in the head section. Now we can start adding the jQuery to animate the button. I'm going to start with the document ready function. Let's first target the button, which is the anchor tag. When it's clicked, let's run a function. And in this function, I'm going to target the hamburger and toggle class clicked. Okay, let's add some CSS for the clicked state. Go ahead and say clicked dot hamburger before and the margin will be 0 and transform translate, not translate, it's going to be rotate for 90 degree and add some transition to the margin. 4.3 seconds, ease, and delay will be 0 seconds, but the transform will be 0.3 seconds as well. Ease, but it will delay for 0.3 seconds. It means the rotation will start after the margin has changed. If we look at the button now and click it, you see that the before and after element is changing its position and rotation. Great. Now we need to rotate this for 45 degrees so that it looks like a cross or close button. To do that, I'm going to target the intersection of the button. So dot inner, and same with this, a toggle a class. Let's call it cross. Okay. Now let's add some CSS for the cross. Dot cross and transform rotate 45 degree. Let's try the button now. Oh, sorry, it's a typo. So you see it's rotating right after it's clicked. So I'm going to add some transition to the rotation. For 0.3 seconds, ease, and the delay will be 0.4 seconds. And add some transition to the inner, so when it comes back to normal state, that has some transition too. Transition all 0.3 second, ease, and the delay will be 0 seconds. Let's see how it looks. Now the only problem is this before and after element changing their position without any transition. So let's go ahead and add some transition to the before and after element. The margin will start after 0.3 seconds. So margin 0.3 seconds, ease, and start after 0.3 seconds. And the transform will start, will take place for 0.3 seconds, ease, and will start right after it's clicked. So let's check the button now. And there we have it, the animating hamburger button. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, you can ask me on the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.